To create a gradient background in After Effects, first start by selecting a solid, and this can be any colour. In Effects and Presets, search for Gradient Ramp and drag and drop this effect onto your solid. In Effect Controls, you can modify the start and end colours of your gradient. Click in the colour box next to either Start or End Colour to open a new window, where you can use the colour picker to select and modify the colours in your gradient. You can also use the position controls to modify the start and end points of the gradient as required. You have the option to change from a linear ramp to a radial ramp to change your gradient to a circular shape. If desired, you can also blend your new gradient with the original solid colour to make a more complex gradient.